Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Solana needs to continue holding above the $22.82 mark here on the charts. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $22.82 mark, which is a very significant area of support where we have also seen a chart pattern that has been in formation, which is a double bottom, which is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side. And by first sharing that chart pattern, you can see that we saw this massive breakdown getting into that key area of support. We found support, then we saw the bounce back giving us the neckline, then we saw this breakdown once more. And as long as Solana continues to hold above this key area of support, there are high chances that we can see another bounce back to the upper side and break above the neckline at around the $25.7 mark, and a break above the neckline. Then from that point we can easily see Solana give us the breakout and get above the $30 mark to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. So using a trend line, I can be able to get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area to the upper side at around the $28.49 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do to the upper side once we see the breakout out of that chart pattern here on the charts. Zooming out here on the 4-hour charts to also give you my Elliot wave analysis, we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 4, and soon we are going to see that massive pump here on the Solana chart in the formation of this wave 5. And all this is playing out after we saw the massive breakdown on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $12.94 mark. And after seeing that low, we started gearing up where we first put in place the high for that first wave, saw a wave 2, then a wave 3, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And soon I'm expecting one pump in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side to complete a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.19 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term. And in case further breakdown continues, then we need to continue holding above the $21.42 mark, because as long as you continue also holding above this descending trend line that I have here on the charts, there are high chances that we can still gear up and see a break above the $26 or $27 mark once more. To also give you my long-term analysis on the Solana chart, starting my Elliot wave structure from the December lows, you can see that we picked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $27 mark. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and soon we can continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm watching out on the Solana chart on the short term and also on the long term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 36 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.